And get the Cheerios, huh? So good? Yeah. Mac. Hey, Mackie. Go get those Cheerios. Come on, Mac. Whoa. That's good, isn't it? Go find him. Where's my little man? Where's my little man? Huh? Where's my little man? Yes. Yes. Big boy Mac. Bubby's man. What? Who's big boy? Who's the big boy? Huh? Oh, yes. Oh. Okay, hold on. Let's get more. Come in, look. Come here. Ooh. Okay, go get him. I like to sprinkle them on the carpet so they can find them. Go get him. Albert, you're getting so big. Albert's about 145 pounds. And Mac is, well, let's see. We'll say 265 to be polite. Right? 265? 265? They're big boys. All right.